Hello guys, today I'm gonna explain you on how to multiply 11 with any number in under 5 seconds. So as you can see, normally when you do multiplication, you're gonna write like this and then do the simple way. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 3 is 3, 5 and 3, and the answer will be 5, 8, 3. This is a normal way that we would do, but today I'm gonna teach you a new way and a faster way. So as you can see, we have 35 multiplied by 11, and it's simple. For the first two numbers, we're gonna stay exactly the same, one in front and one on the back side. So this one, 5, is gonna remain the same here, and then 3 is gonna be staying in front. The things that we need to figure it out is the number in the middle here, and it's simple. We just add this number together. 3 plus 5 equal 8, and then we're gonna put it here. See, 385. The answer is the same. Now let me move you to another example. This time we go for a harder one. 65 multiplied by 11. So simple, the same thing's gonna happen. 5 and 6, but it's a little bit different because 6 plus 5 equal to 11, and we don't put 11 here, we just put 1 here and then extra 1 here. So 6 plus 1 equals 7, so the exact answer here is gonna be 715. You see, it's pretty easy and simple.